Hi students, how are you? Today we are going to see a lesson in 10th Cbse biology. Okay, lesson 6 life process. Okay, so before going into the lesson, can you tell me what does mean by life process? Life process na என்ன லைஃப் ப்ராசஸ் மீன்ஸ் நம்ம லைஃப்பில் ஓகே நம்மளோட ஹியூமன் பாடியில் அண்ட் இன் அவர் லைஃப் வாட் ஆர் த ப்ராக்ரெஸ் ஓகே வாட் ஆர் த திங்ஸ் ஹேப்பனிங் இஸ் கம் அண்டர் லைஃப் ப்ராசஸ் ஓகே first maintenance of living organism is essential even if they are moving, resting or even sleeping. Okay, the living organism, okay, where we want to maintain our body, okay, it is very very important even when we are moving, sleeping and whatever we are doing, it is very very important. Okay, for example, now we are sleeping means whether our body also will take rest or else our heart also will take rest, no. Okay, whenever we are sleeping or else we are taking resting, at that time also our body will work. Okay, so maintenance of living organism is essential even if they are moving, resting or sleeping. Okay, and then here the life process means okay the together perform function. Okay, body la ulla ella idume, okay, not only body, environment and then organs of our body, everything perform together. Okay, well, that is called as life process. Okay, here the four things are examples of essential life process. The first one is nutrition, respiration, circulation and excretion. What are they? Nutrition, respiration, circulation and excretion. What is mean by nutrition? The intake, whatever we are intake to improve the health of our body will come under nutrition. Respiration in the sense of breathing. Okay, circulation, it may be the blood circulation and everything. Excretion, the food we will eat, no, that will excrete is come under excretion. Okay, these are the examples of essential life process. Okay, again I'm saying the four things: nutrition, respiration, circulation and excretion are the four or the example of essential life process. Okay, then there are two cellular organism. Okay, the one is unicellular organism and another one is multicellular organism. Okay, unicellular, uni means one, a single. Okay, so in unicellular organism all this process, okay, whatever happen in our body, everything also happen in the unicellular, a single cell organs. Okay, so in unicellular organism all this process are carried out by a single cell. Okay, that process is called as unicellular organism. Okay, they are called as unicellular organism. The next one is multicellular organism. Okay, example, we are the example for multicellular organism, the well developed system. Okay, and are present to carry out the process. There is a difference between unicellular, single cell and also we people. Okay, in single cell there won't be any parts of body, internal organs or external organs, but in multicellular organism like we human being, we have all the internal and external organs. Okay, so in unicellular organism all this process are carried out by that single cell. Okay, in multicellular organism well developed system are present to carry out the process. Okay, so I hope you understand unicellular organism and multicellular organism. And next we are going to see about nutrition. Okay, what does mean by nutrition? The process of, okay, the process of acquiring food. Okay, the process of acquiring food that is needed for nourishment and substance of the organism. Okay, அதாவது acquiring food na நம்ம food எதுக்கு சாப்பிடுறோம்? We are eating food to make our body nourish. Okay, நல்லா ஹெல்த்தியாகவும் அந்த சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம பாடியில் போய் ஜாயின் ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்காகவும் we are eating food. Okay, so nutrition means the process of acquiring food that is needed for nourishment and substance of organism. Okay, the important point is nourishment and substance. Okay, there are two main modes of nutrition. The one is autotrophic and another one is heterotrophic. Okay, what are they? Autotrophic and heterotrophic, two modes of nutrition. The one is autotrophic and another one is heterotrophic. Okay, so heterotrophic nutrition has subtypes: holozoic, saprophytic and parasitic. Okay, what are the subtypes of heterotrophic nutrition? Holozoic, saprophytic and parasitic nutrition. Again I am saying holozoic, saprophytic and parasitic nutrition. These are the subtypes of heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, then autotrophic nutrition. If an organism can nourish itself by making its own food, normally the plants, whether the plants will go to any job or else it will go to any shop to buy anything and eat, no, it will produce its food by its own. Okay, with the help of sunlight and chemical is called as autotrophic nutrition. Here listen, if an organism can nourish itself, one can able to nourish itself by making its own food using sunlight or chemicals is called as autotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic nutrition means it will nourish by itself. Okay, and then so today what are the things we saw? Again we'll go for a recap. The first thing we saw what is mean by life process, and next our maintenance of living organism is essential even when we are sleeping, resting and moving. Okay, so next there are four essential part of life process. They are nutrition, respiration, circulation and excretion. Okay, and then we saw about unicellular organism and multicellular organism. Unicellular means it is a single cell, multicellular means many cells, we people. Okay, and then we saw about nutrition. Nutrition means acquiring food that is needed for nourishment and substance of the organism. Okay, two modes of nutrition, the one is autotrophic and another one is heterotrophic. Okay, here heterotrophic subtypes on the holozoic, saprophytic, parasitic nutrition. Autotrophic means if an organism can nourish itself, அது ஒரு organism வந்து if it is nourish itself, it is called as autotrophic nutrition. So if an organism nourish itself, it is called as autotrophic nutrition. Okay, so today's lesson is over. Okay, we will see the remaining part of the lesson in our next video. Okay, thank you very much.